Okay, today we're gonna do some bacon bombs. We're gonna take some hamburger meat, we're gonna make a ball out of it, we're gonna wrap it in some bacon, put it on the grill. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hamburger meat, we're gonna stuff it with some mushrooms, some white onions, some cheese cubes, then some peppers that we've got. We're gonna wrap it up in our bacon, make a ball out of it, we'll put it on the grill, and we'll go from there. Okay, to start with, we got 3 pounds of hamburger meat. We're gonna add in some Trigger Happy all-purpose rub. And because of the bacon, we're gonna come on with some Meat Church These Nuts pecan rub. So we'll get this opened up right here. Let's put us a lot of hamburgers, we want a lot of rub. I'm gonna say about 2.5, 3 tablespoons of each. We're gonna mix it up. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Got it all mixed up. We're gonna make some balls out of it. And we're just gonna reach in here. We're gonna make a ball about the size of your palm. So we're gonna get these made up. Put them here on the cutting board. Let me get these made up and then we'll go to the next process. Okay, we got our balls all made up. We got our ingredients right here. What we're gonna do first, we're just gonna flatten it out, get it good and flat. And then we're gonna take our ingredients. We're gonna take us a piece of cheese. We're gonna take us a few onions. You can add what you want, or you can deduct what you want, it doesn't matter. We got a couple of onions in there. We're gonna take a few of the chopped up peppers. And then we're gonna take a few of the mushrooms, put it here on top. And we're just gonna roll it in on itself. Move it back into a ball. We're gonna set it right here. We're gonna get us a couple of pieces of bacon. Start off with the crisscross method. We're gonna set our ball right here on the top. We're gonna wrap it around on the top, both sides. And these are pretty good sized balls. This is going to be basically a whole meal, so it's going to take probably 4 pieces of bacon. Start on the other way. Wrap around the bottom. And this way. Wrap it around the bottom. Now we got it ready to go. Got that ready to go, we'll take it to the grill. We'll get the rest of these done and we'll head that direction. Okay, we've got all of our bacon balls wrapped up, ready to go to the smoker. What we did is we flattened them out, just kind of recap, we flattened them out, we put some cheese in there, some onions, some peppers, and some mushrooms. In the hamburger meat itself, we put some These Nuts and some Trigger Happy all-purpose rub. But now that we got them done, we're just gonna top it off with a little bit of the Meat Church These Nuts. Not be happy that I'm doing this without on a cutting board, but we don't put that much on it. Okay, we're gonna head up the smoker. We'll put them on the smoker for about an hour or until the bacon gets done, and then we'll be ready to eat. I'll see you upstairs in a second. Hey, we're up here at the smoker. We're going on the little Traeger today with the bacon bombs. Open it up right here. Slide them in here on the side. Put one on one side. Move over just a little bit. One on the other side, we're gonna leave them in there about an hour until the bacon's done. We'll come up, check them a couple times, and then we're gonna be eating. Okay, we're up here at the smoker. We got our bacon bombs on. They are ready. Look at that. Look at that bacon. That bacon is good and crispy. Exactly what you're wanting. I know the meat's done on the inside. We're gonna take them off. Just ease them off there. Put them in the pan. We'll let them cool off just a few minutes before we bite into one of them. Look at that. That is going to be a good piece of meat right there. Shut the smoker. We go inside, let these cool off a little bit, get a bite, tell you how they taste. See you downstairs. Hey, just a quick recap on our bacon bombs right here. What we did is we took some hamburger, made it into palm-sized balls, flattened them out. We wanted to put some cheese on there, put some white onions on there, we put some peppers, and we put some mushrooms inside them. Wrapped them up in the bacon, put them back on the grill, got them cooked. Here's what we've got. We topped them off with some Trigger Happy and some These Nuts by Meat Church. Let's get these out of the way. Let's get one off here. Let's get this one right there. We'll set that right there. Move these out of the way. Okay, we've got it on deal right here. Let's just cut right inside of it. Cut right down the middle. Look at the inside of that. That is, the meat's done. The cheese is melted semi in place. We've had it cooling for a few minutes. I can see the onions, I can see the peppers, I can see the mushrooms. We'll just cut us off a corner right here. I want some of that cheese. Let's cut one right out of the middle. Just gonna pick it up. Look at the inside of this. You can see the onions, you can see the peppers, you can see the mushrooms. The bacon's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. The meat is done perfectly. Let's get us a bite. Delicious. Y'all need to try this. Very simple, very easy. Y'all try this at home. Be sure and check us out. Like, subscribe, make a comment below for something that you've done a little bit different. But y'all come see us now here